Lovely. Is the only lovely better mental physicist. Yeah. Tell me why me nije. Them baby dedicate mukro. Because me would there so I am mbwa yerikechi. Ame Moshe nye mwakeka hono so ye mbwa yen man Ghana no yerikechi. Inti all the time no. Dem obade no. Wa me entu no wa me na nije de ye fambra na ye famba kana asam. Oyemo otire chepu dem wona offer the prophet no. And our friend Sofu no Sofu bia exist to Ghana. Na prophet to exist to. Ayi etine meyeka no Sofu ontumi nka bi nchirawo. And there is nobody in Ghana and Africa so now deserve don't boy yankopon izin. And obo boy obo adin izin. O say na wanka no kwal. Nipa da sanyi waka for book bi na we create ndo oyo ogba ade no nenu ma asam na oziji wonska na ozi live yeah tebi amaka chere one they are tough now wo Ghana no we are more than evils wa shishe coat wa shishe coat na wa bugbo tie na wozi wiyen asofo wo Ghana no mi sudu bi ma we are more than armed robbers nti say ebeti abi mental physicists ebeti ma asama you get internal life intire ya me wa sumayen de maka no kwa no munya no insem de maka no numu oyedriye and etema eba benefit from that especially yemesi afo no I want to asam no yeah eko man Ghana ma yemesi afo no why be it there wodoska senawuna wonkra ode wonumu iti akontufu webogu oman Ghana ibinom ni Nigeria fo and Lebanese na onya abrofu bia wabakeka China fo ehwe yemesi afo no wodon wan sen even aina Ghana fo na yanyo mbobra no munia meka na ma asebe mizi atowo de eye benyin eye Ghana ni anywhere no enyi bese bia kwawo na bese no onye Ghana nya a ebe na enyi dem bese na awo na ebe na onye wo ba Mirika mize sidu biem eye oman Ghana ni mapa na enyi bese a onfi Ghana kuonim enyi no kwawo wada ebeti wutira me no ebotwa wona na ama no dem ebe no onye wo ba listen for me mental physicists ibia entase the man Ghana nyi besia onyi beyin bia kwawo de beyin no aye ho na o ofi Portugal ofi Israel ofi Afghanistan o dem Ghana nyi besia no onyi dem beyin kwawa ebe no oye Ghana nyi besia ne ba onye dem nyi pako ne ba take it from me appeal this is the answer intimunya yeboto wi ade ni yempeyinfo ka sembi che nde wukro mpete odiwu na ma onye bi nti da masem no waka no nu konkusim na ma ya mo no nti munya duulai mamu onyu anje de eko wale tanyi besia eko wu China nyi besia eko wu Spanish nyi besia nti da yero kwa wo eyiro ko o fear but ebeda wo na ebeda onya wo ba nti gitum dam nti sa ye ready de bo were outside na nyi besia na yero bobo bla na hu de elehwa wo ba no to the limit aba no be penyin bu hu de awu de meje awu na ehwen ama ejire bi be mewo bia no wa bo no abohwo onya dam then half de mebe no onya wo ba mama kama sama ona mu ma biye da video yi Ghana fumbe si afu wo hu alata fumbe yinfu na sabota fresh o kita won kaso wo Ghana wana na wakaka wondo and wo ma mi no wo papa no so wo hu nzama otena ma wo ntu wo mbe sia no fo na we jal because okwa oziskani ozibefie ma wonye bi wazaka wana ado munya eyeja ana eyena na ehu bo wada mukọ na otena mu da wala na eluku ba Nigeria for ana different African country people bu Ghana no secret wo munye de wo ba no bo hu Ghana nyi besia na was his car was Bashishana was saying life. And Mobe any there Wabawa Gana Nibe same port to them. No, I shall do a fufu. No later, why accuse Gana Nibe saying there, why then tomorrow? But Benino off a draw. Iti dem no obey da also oyini botu kwan because Ghana ye no hospital onye papa into oyini bokwa South Africa no oyini akọ specialist for South Africa me feel Ghana yi be se bia so say the boyfriend and enukun also oyini kwa South Africa for specialist oboko because opiempo akọ South Africa akọ South Africa and okwa dem ibi Nigeria nyo ati dem no. Our business partner or a doctor was South Africa one see I don't you go to South Africa one you go to hotel. Iti them specialists in Lanka so only Nigeria in show already. Iti South Africa doctor no our patients or kuma or so many parts from the body. No one donate was amen. Iti eda when you gonna be to bed no. The same time so when you South Africa ni another even any Europe be allow you share them body parts no that one chan the same time nti what two body parts wa kuma na woto was ama broni no in a way broni de bodam fo was ama wo besia no wo body any part be allow broni no you share no oto a na way bodam fo no that to awo besia no wumu the same time why I want to new operation we inti wo wi a awo efi de wukun odwaba de ntumu winti no obohwa wapo zinim no lukun wo wi pe odwo be sigana wabo why operation de ntumu winti botuma wo munya wazizimzima ebo de Nigeria moko Togo maba moko Burkina maba moko Abidjan maba moko amaba ebu wanyi de ehu ni biem inti alete bohun besia no wo Kumasa wa be shatakrade alete bohun besia wa takrada wa akeshe Kumasi ehu ni biem the man o kafa besia so Kumasi why in the same thing munya ye fere Nigeria ji benyi no ahino you see more let's say bohun with the wedding with everything obawa wuya no wa spend about $3,000 for but ubody partner okotane no wakoton body part of about $50,000. Ahina when you feel the man will catch Munya Besako, so why is the same thing? Munya, only I meant office make a be there. Who compete or do be Nebika? Say even Ghana Yibenimpo, obey our daughter to the Mumpa, or do way be in Munyano. Yenimbesia far, Sabuta Freche, or Wokunumpo, or Wokun. But oboko ma niyanku benyi wofana benyi niyanku benyi onyinada because of what sikasam ina bo ehwe mpo isika no isika pepe bia but later no wo they are in problems no was a hot to them was but benyi no the benyi solve munya no menyim eda ahin Africans yezi na adwunu botu fom ni agbayamla me yankro no wetumpon hwe mbesi afa Sabuta Freche wa wumba mba no onye benyin mba but onye benyin ti de odon munya no oya meda mentase de yezi yankro na hia yegbo yankro no yezi yaman na hina yegbo yaman nti debra na Africa yebodwune nyimpa ne aye manyimpa ye onye me yakun no tebi amekara mental physicists mabene me medicate etema or a good mo etema ha metine membe ye adwuma mo form order ginekede o abrofo no wan child wo kire kwan de mana mo so me kire kwan inti dem ekwan ya me kire o se na ma ache wade because ka hin pona mezima wa ebedi mu asa but me kire company as nanto a Sabuta Freche wa bla bobesie on a mental physics. Stay blessed and take care. Thank you.